Today we're going to be making some strawberry cheesecake bites. You're going to need some cheese cream, some fresh strawberries, and some vanilla, and also some animal crackers or graham crackers, and some powdered sugar. So here I have my creamed strawberries, and I am just cleaning them off, and I am peeling off the leaves, and I'm just going to repeat the same thing to all my strawberries. Then I'm going to grab a small knife, and I'm just going to cut around the strawberry in the middle to make the hole. You see, I made the hole inside, and I'm just going to repeat the same thing to all the strawberries. We are going to blend the crackers in the blender. After I'm done blending, I'm going to pour it into a plate. It is very blended, like powder. Next, we're going to have a small bowl, and we're going to take out the cheese cream. Make sure it's not too hard. As you can tell, it's kind of mushy. Next, I am going to add some vanilla, and I am going to be pouring 1 teaspoon into my bowl. Next, I am just mixing everything, making sure it's a nice, smooth texture. I have mixed everything up, and I'm going to be using a Ziploc bag, and I'm going to be putting it inside the Ziploc. Make sure it's secure and clean. I'm going to grab some scissors, and I'm going to cut the tip of the bag. As you can see here right now. Just going to cut tiny bit piece off so the cheese can come out. Then I'm going to start filling in the cheese cream inside the strawberries. I have my graham crackers, and I'm just going to dip it in just like that. And that's it. And then I'm going to repeat the same pattern to all my strawberries. Strawberry bites are done and ready to eat. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to leave a comment down below for any other video suggestions. Enjoy!